Hello friends, last slide we have seen about the calculation for the number of days for the residential status. So it is very important that how do you calculate the number of days to satisfy the condition whether he is a resident or a non-resident or resident and ordinarily resident. So there are certain points which you should remember while counting of the days. So what are the points which you should consider while counting the number of days for ascertaining the residential status? Stay need not be at the same place. Means it is not necessary that if suppose he is fulfilling the condition of 182 days, it doesn't mean that he should be at one place. Say for example, he is at Mumbai, he should be at Mumbai only at 182 place. Not necessary. He can be for few days he can be in Mumbai, few days he may be in Pune, few days he may be at Indore, any place in India. So stay need not be at the same place. Stay need not be continuous. Yes, that means if he leaves India in between, that is also allowed. That is, for example, if he is in India for 3 months and then he leaves India, he again come after 2 months. So in that previous year, how many days he is there in that particular year, previous year, that is important. So his stay should not necessary that it should be continuous. It can be for few days he may be in India, few days he may be out of India as well. Only the thing is the counting of the number of days should satisfy the condition. Then, if suppose the stay is for a part of day, physical presence should be calculated on hourly basis. That is, if he is staying for 24 hours, then it will be counted as a stay for the day. But if hour-wise information is not available, we should consider both the days, that is the day of entry as well as the day of exit, and that will be counting as the full days in India. As far as our practical problems are considered, they don't give you all this hourly part. So we have to consider the arrival date as well as the departure date also. So that days are counted as full days. So you need not worry about the 24-hour stay. Then if he is having a stay in a boat which is anchored in the territorial waters of India, then that is also treated as a stay in India. So because territorial waters, as we have seen under the definition of India, in that even the territorial waters are also covered. So if he is having a stay in a boat, then that will be also considered as a stay in India. Then for February, as you know, if it is a leap year, it will be considered as 29 days, and if it is not a leap year, it will be considered as 28 days.